let us see the different parts of the screw gauge. So that's the stud over here. So this is the actual instrument, the stud, the screw. So that's the screw here. Then you have the pitch scale, which is nothing but the main scale. Then you have the circular scale. So that's your circular scale here. You have the thimble. So the thimble is here. And the ratchet. The ratchet is over here. We have the frame. This is the frame. So that's your micrometer screw gauge. Last time we saw how to find the least count. Today we are going to see how to find the zero error. To find the zero error, we have to first close the jaws. So close the jaws over here. After closing the jaws, you have to check whether the main scale 0 and the circular scale 0 is matching or not. Let us see the three cases. These are the three cases of the zero error. If your circular scale 0 is exactly with the reference line, then there is no zero error. If your circular scale 0 is below, see, look at here, it is below the reference line here, then the error is positive, zero error. But how much positive? Look at the reference line where it is touching. It is between 4 and 5. So we'll take it as 4. So n is 4 into the least count, which we found out last time, that is 0.01. And since it is a positive zero error, we write it as 0.04 millimeter. Now let us take the third case. In the third case, look at the 0 of the circular scale. It is little above the reference line over here. So since it is above, it is a negative zero error. Now, how much negative? So the zero error will be, look at the coinciding one with the reference line. It is 98. So if it is negative, you have to subtract it from 100. So 100 minus n, that is 100 minus 98, into the least count, that is into 0.01 millimeter, that is minus 2, into 0.01, that is equal to minus 0.02 millimeter. Now let us find the zero error of our instrument. It can be any one of these three. It cannot be all three, any one. Now let's find it out. So that's our instrument. So we will close the jaws first to find the zero error. So I've closed it. You can hear the sound. Now look at the reference line where it is touching on your circular scale. So let us look carefully. That's the reference line here. See where it is touching? So it is touching somewhere around. So the 0 of the circular scale is here. The reference line is here. So obviously it is a negative zero error. But how much negative? Let us see that. Look carefully. See, the reference line is here. Okay. It is coinciding with the 99th division. So this is 90. This is 0. It is just one down. So that is 99. N is 99. So how are you going to write out? It is a negative error because the 0 is little below the reference line. Okay? So let's write it down. So we have 100 minus 99 into 0.01. Of course, the error is negative, so you'll write minus. So that comes out to be minus 1 into, so 100 minus 99 is 1 into 0.01, that's the least count. So Z is minus 0.01 millimeter, which is equal to minus 0.001 centimeter. So that is the zero error of this instrument that we had seen. This one. Okay? Now we will see in our next video how to find the actual radius of the wire or the thickness of the plate. Bye.